Namaskar, friends. I am Dr. Ruchir Saxena from Poddar Group of Institutions and your instructor for Microsoft Excel today. What Excel is? Excel is the spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft which works on different operating system like Windows, Mac OS, open sources like Linux, etc. Now, what exactly Excel does? Excel is a huge application with various types of options and functions available. In this, you can create different types of functions, formulas as per your need. And also we can work on different graphical representation of data. We have charts here, we have pivot tables here. We can also work on data analysis part also. You can say we have sorting, filtering, subtotals and many more options available for data analysis. Intentionally, we are creating small videos so it's easy for all to understand and find out the topics and go through it. Hope you enjoy learning Excel through these video series. Today, I'm gonna discuss the environment of Excel, that is, the screen which you face after opening Excel. See, when we click on Excel icon, this kind of screen open. This is the blank workbook. When we click on the Excel sheet, the first screen we face is called workbook. Just because it is a blank, we call him blank workbook. Workbook is a collection of different worksheets. At the top of this screen, there is a quick access toolbar. The only toolbar available in the new versions of Excel. uh, Below this access toolbar, we have different tabs: home, layout, table, charts. These are the tabs. Earlier, these tabs known as menu bars, but in the newer versions of Excel, we call them tabs. Each and every tab consists of similar type of options available. See, like in home tab, we have bold, italic, color, formatting kind for data formatting options are available in this home tab. These options available on a single strip. That strip is called ribbon. To open or close this ribbon, we can click on tab. The ribbon will appear or disappear. At the right side, we have a button for opening or closing that ribbon also. At the left side, we have a name box which gives the location of the cell where your cursor is. See, my cursor is in C5. C is the column number and the 5 is the row. So the name box shows the address of this particular cell or the cursor. This is C5. The particular address of this cell is C5. Next to the name, there is a formula bar. If you want to see what formula is written in your particular cell, you can go here and you can see the formula, complete formula which is written in that particular cell. Or if you want to edit the cell, if you want to edit the formula, you can do it from there also. At the bottom, number of sheets available. See here, the number of sheets available in particular this workbook. If you want to insert a new sheet, you can click on this add plus sign. You can add the sheet, or if you want to delete a particular sheet, you just right click on it and delete the sheet. We have lots of options available here. We have insert sheet. If you want to rename the sheet, you can click on rename and type whatever name you want to write here. See, I'm writing the test, suppose. So the name of this particular sheet is test. We rename that. So at the bottom we have this option to add or delete the sheets. These are the column headings. One, see, A, B, C. These are the column headings. These are the names of the columns. When we click on the column heading, the entire column will be selected. Same as these are the row headings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we click on the particular heading of the row, the entire row will be selected. Here, these are the scroll bars to scroll the screen over, up and down, right and left. This is the name of the workbook. When we save that particular workbook, so whatever name you use for saving that workbook, the name will appear here. Right now I'm haven't saved and I'm not saving this workbook, so the default name is workbook 2 is appear on the screen. So these are the options available on the first screen of our sheet. So this is the overview of the Excel. Hope I have covered all the topics available on this screen. So that's all for this video. In the later video, we will talk about other options of Excel available here. For today, goodbye.